Off we go again. Oh, it's over there? We have got our tickets now to get through TSA. Our flight, I think it's like 6:30 right now. Our flight's at 9. And we have 13 hours of flying. If I'm correct, we have extra legroom, right?
Yeah, I got us extra legroom.
Girl got us extra legroom. Not that she needs it, but I do, because I'm old. Stay tuned. We have a spicy chicken sandwich right here, and then we got the Thai tofu box right here. It's fried tofu. Boom, that's what it looks like. Guys, we have got done with dinner. We had lots of dinner. We ate a chicken sandwich, which took forever. We had a chicken sandwich, then we had a tofu rice bowl.
With cucumber.
With cucumber. And then I got an order of chips and guacamole, and the chips and guac was pretty good. Other than the fact that like airport prices and being San Francisco, everything is outrageously expensive. It's been maybe 2 hours. I've easily spent over $100 just in the airport. We haven't even left yet. The plane is huge. How many people does this plane seat?
370. Yeah.
Wow. Wow.